Welcome to FK iPhone. Today we are diving into the latest budget offering from Redmi the Redmi 8 2025 edition. This phone promises great value for money with upgraded features and a sleek design. Let's see if it lives up to expectations. Starting with the display, the Redmi 8 comes with a 6.7-inch FHD Plus panel that delivers vibrant colors and sharp details. With a 120 Hz refresh rate, scrolling feels smoother and gaming is more responsive. The bezels are slimmer than before, giving it a more premium look. Under the hood, the Redmi 8 is powered by the new Snapdragon 7 series chipset paired with up to 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. This ensures lag-free performance whether you are multitasking, gaming or streaming. The phone also supports expandable storage via a micro SD card. The camera setup has seen a major upgrade. The primary sensor is a 64MP shooter capturing detailed and sharp images even in low light. It is accompanied by an ultra-wide lens, a macro sensor and a depth sensor for versatile photography. The front camera is now 32MP, making selfies clearer and perfect for video calls. Battery life is another strong point, with a 5500 mAh battery that easily lasts a full day. It supports 67W fast charging, which means you can go from zero to full charge in less than an hour. Redmi has also introduced wireless charging support for the first time in the series. Now let's talk about the exterior. The Redmi 8 has a more refined design, featuring a glass back with a matte finish that reduces fingerprints. The frame is made of aluminum, giving it a solid feel in hand. It comes in three color options: midnight black, ocean blue and a new sunset red. Security and software are also improved. The phone runs on the latest MIUI based on Android 14, bringing smoother animations and better optimization. The fingerprint sensor is now embedded under the display and face unlock is faster and more secure. For audio lovers, the Redmi 8 features stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support, delivering a rich and immersive sound experience. The 3.5mm headphone jack is still present, which is great news for wired audio users. Connectivity options include 5G, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring faster internet speeds and reliable connections. There is also an IR blaster, which Redmi fans will appreciate for controlling home appliances. So what's the final verdict on the Redmi 8 2025 edition? This phone continues Redmi's tradition of offering impressive features at an affordable price. With its powerful processor, high refresh rate display, improved cameras and long battery life, it stands out as one of the best budget smartphones of the year. If you are looking for a reliable device without breaking the bank, the Redmi 8 should definitely be on your list. Let me know in the comments what you think about this phone. Would you buy it, or do you have another favorite? Stay tuned to FK iPhone for more smartphone reviews and tech updates. See you in the next video.